Big thanks to LINGHANG Hair online on Amazon.
You mean to tell me the moment I set you free, search for something else, said you were working on yourself, but you really needed help. I came back and put my life.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another Amazon hair video. This time I'll be reviewing a synthetic kinky curly hair wig. So you get this wig off Amazon, of course, and it's from LINGHANG, so big shout out to them. When you open the package, you get a wig cap and of course the wig. This is actually one of my first times actually trying a wig like this, so I'm really excited to see how it is. But for the beginning of the video, we're gonna start with how I do my braid pattern for wigs. A lot of people have asked, like, oh, well, how do you braid your hair? I just let go and let God take the wheel on this part because, yeah, I really just started braiding my real hair in cornrows during the pandemic when I couldn't even go and get my hair done. You know, we were on lockdown. So it takes practice. Like, my parts are still not even straight. I'm just used to braiding the way that I braid. So, make sure you put coconut oil in your hair, like real coconut oil. That's the secret to growing your hair. So yeah, so you're just gonna start with parting your hair. I don't really care to have like really small braids. I know a lot of people are like, oh, well, the smaller the braids, the flatter it's going to be for your wig install. Because this is going to be kinky hair, I kind of just had like medium braids on each side. So I'm gonna shut up and let you guys watch.
Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Easy, easy,
So that is the final product. Gonna go ahead and put on the wig cap. First of all, I don't even know why I was making this face. What? I have a big head. Oh my gosh. So I guess we're just gonna tuck in the braids in the back when you put the wig cap on. Yada yada. There goes me making faces again. Alright, so you're gonna take the wig, and the instructions for this synthetic wig were actually attached, but I'm just gonna show you how the inside looks. So you have like 2 latches in the front, and then you can adjust it in the back to the size of your head. I didn't have to adjust it because I got a big head. So here are the care instructions. They instruct that you detangle with some warm luke water. So luckily, because I am a naturalista and I do use water on my real hair, I already had a spray bottle. So you can get the spray bottle from even a dollar store, you know, just leave water in there. So when you put on the wig, don't put the water first. Basically just run your fingers out to detangle the hair, because it's clearly going to come just, I don't even want to say matted, just all bunched up. Then you're going to use the spray it around the wig, and then you're going to keep detangling the hair with your hands just to basically get it to any style you want it. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I tried to put it in a bun. I don't even know why. I'm really not used to this. So this is the finished product. You know, you guys, link in my bio. Make sure that you check them out. And, you know, here's the TikTok. Follow me on there. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.